Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I take you through my diecast collection. Today we have with us the LC80, which is a Toyota Land Cruiser by GCD, and this is a premium diecast model and it is officially licensed by Toyota as well. So let me go ahead and unbox this particular car and let's get started. As you can see here, the model comes with an acrylic case. Let me go ahead and quickly remove the acrylic case and also the plastic blister around the car. Here you go. Now, talking about the Land Cruiser LC80, it is a legendary car from the 90s. It is a rugged SUV that is globally celebrated for its unmatched road capabilities, its luxurious interiors, and its reliable quality. Now, it is one of the most durable vehicles that has ever been engineered. So, let's take a closer look at this particular model. Now, if you see here, this particular model by GCD is very well detailed. It has got a few extra accessories right here. I have stuck a few on top of the car, and you can go ahead and even keep them separately. Now, looking at this particular model, firstly, it has this camo paint and livery around the car, which looks very nice. This particular model has acrylic fog lamps, acrylic headlights, acrylic tail lights as well, which are actually three colored, which looks really very beautiful and detailed. Now, one of the best features about the GCD model is that it has moving wheels, so you can go ahead and turn them. It does not roll smoothly, but yes, it does roll. The other good feature is that the wheels turn from left to right, and they also have suspension, as you can see here. From the bottom, you would see the springs as well of the suspension, which is colored in red, so it is identifiable. So it has got suspensions on all the four wheels. Now look at this particular car from the base as well. It has a very detailed look at the back end of the car. It has a rubber tire, a full size tire on the back that is mounted. If you see here, you have the defogger lines, which are very well done by GCD. Even the interior is very well done. There is a Toyota logo on the steering wheel inside the car. Even the mirrors have glass in it or reflectors in it. So it is a very well detailed model and it looks really very nice. If you see here, you can also see the mirror inside the car as well. It has a snorkel detail right here, metal exhaust and tailpipe. It has the Land Cruiser written in the number plate. It is a really well built model. Let's take a few pictures and videos and see this model in a little more detail. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video. If you want to look at a few videos that I have already uploaded on YouTube, please click on the link beside.